Sorry, and talk as you like.
But
Don't worry.
people are talking about Assad. Assad is a king. Assad is a king.
Assad is a king.
Okay, let me say
Criminal.
something.
You are calling a criminal and bandit a king.
Okay, let me say something.
Militant a king. Militant.
Let me say something. Let me
Assad
say
is a
something.
king, whether you like it or not.
Assad is a confirmed king. He's a first class king. Let me say something. You see, as I said earlier, the great Ejos are the greatest in the history of Nigeria and West Africa.
Wait. This guy will come
Just because of
this boy will come and platform you, they shot the papa, and I will see they bring him up. You see they go for a platform, not with this kind of platform.
I don't understand.
Why they bring him up? Why him wearing?
You see the bias now. Whenever somebody wants to say something now, as far as from just like
Militant.
drop it.
Tesu, militant. Tesu, you are a militant. Shut up your mouth. Militant.
Very quiet there.
Shut up.
You are an idiot.
You are a militant. Shut up. Militant.
Shut up there. You are a goat.
Militant. Militant.
Are you not the Curtis?
You are a militant.
Me, I can boldly say yes. I'm a militant, but are you not the Curtis? Can you boldly say that?
Go and bust pipeline.
Are you not the
Pipeline
Curtis?
is not. Pipeline is not like war.
It's okay, brothers. It's okay, brothers. I want to just address us briefly, please. If it's 2 minutes given to every individual, it will be preferable. When he lands, he lands. If there's any other thing, any question, if you feel like anybody feel like asking, they asks. So this place should be coordinated. The insult is not too good for us. At least, not only people like us here, there are other people that are on FIP listening to us. Please.
You understand?
Let's try to apply wisdom and decorum, please. Please. I have little to just have to read because I think maybe I'll be going down shortly. If you watch what is really going on, the greatest mistake made by the Shakiris in Delta State in the early days of Warri local government, being splitted to small streets and giving them local government, that is what they want to ask for in Benin. The aborigines of that land, where were the Jaws when you have the Benin invasion by the British? Where were the Jaws? If they claim to be the aborigines, why did you hear the British invaded the Jaw land or the Benin kingdom? If we are talking from pure evidence. The case that went to court, from the Federal High Court, the Jaw lost. From the Federal High Court to Supreme Court, they still made them understand that the Benin owns this place. This is that they are the aborigines. The Benis are accommodative people. They welcome every Dick and Harry. If you are ready to be loyal and pay your homage to the kingdom, they will welcome you. You don't see the gentility of a viper to see it as an act of stupidity. Now, somebody made a statement now, which I am just ashamed of what he just said. He said Asari Dokubo is a grade A traditional ruler. Asari Dokubo, if he were to be in Benin Kingdom, they will not make him a duke. Let's go straight. I was born and brought up in Delta. What kind of who is Asari to be coming to assess himself as a king? Anything we are doing, we need to go through the due process. If you said you are the real owner of Gelegele, where do you do your festival? On top of the river. Because you know the river, nobody comes there to argue with the river. Other side is okay, but Gelegele is a no-go area. The Benin owns this place. If you give them, if you give them a little place,
hold the place.
Hold on, you will speak. Hold on, you will speak.
Hold the place.
If you give them councillor today, tomorrow they will have some local government chairman. And if you give them local government chairman, they will say they need the local government. Tomorrow they will say they need from local government, they will ask for another local government. They will tell you they need the state. When they know there are resources in Gelegele, they've started problem. And one thing this man failed to understand, in democratic system, you lobby to earn your living. There's room for lobby. Asari don't know what he's doing. He came out with an open, empty threat. Asari is too small and his cohorts too small to threaten the great Benin Kingdom. He should go back to history, not the peanuts they gave to them. They use in acquiring those kind of local harms. He feels he's giving him unnecessary. You do know you can acquire the old harms on head. You use it, it will not work. You know that? They are still on some things. Even if the Benin's are not saying anything, I'm not a Benin man, but from my own perspective, that of the Ijos, they are Ijo. You are dragging land in Ondo State. Tinubu will not listen to you because he will always support the Yorubas. It's already off. Delta State, you have destroyed Delta State. You have problem with the Robo. You have problem with the Jos. Now you are coming to Benin. It will never. Benin is a place that you can never play politics and go scot-free with it. That place is being owned by the Benin. It's not deliberated. Nobody even argue about it. Except maybe the Benin, maybe the Oba from his own free will say, okay, let's allow them.
But again, you're not from Benin. You say you're not from.
Hold on, let me land. If he want to say, he will say, okay, based on his own free will, please, my people, let's allow them stay. They are still our subjects. The Ijos are subject to the Benis. If you don't know, the Urobos,
you are wrong, my brother.
Hold on. Let me speak. The Urobos, the Shekiris, the Ijos, hold on now. I will give you time to talk. The Urobos, the Ijos, the Isoko, the Ika, they are subjects to the Benin Kingdom. So anything you are saying, you are just trying to, maybe they are just trying to escalate issues. And moreover, nobody is ready to come out to, Atari doesn't have what it takes to fight. Somebody that cannot stand say want to run without Tommy or what. So people, let's just try to undermine his stories. He's just making noise. I see him as a two-legged bulldog. You understand? Even have you ever heard Oba come out to say things like that? A really great one. Go and check. Go to Google now as we are talking. The three respected monarch, the only person they recognize as a traditional ruler is Oba of Benin. The Sultan of Sokoto, they call him is an Islamic ruler. The Oni of Ife. Go and check. And the third person, Oba of the Great Benin Kingdom. Go and check it. Where did they hear they mention any Ijo king? Where any Ijo king or any other king? In the whole of southern Nigeria. So the Google is there. Check it. The three most respected traditional rulers in Nigeria.
Should I answer you?
So,
let me answer
please,
you. No, you don't want.
Please. I am not coming here. I'm not here
to
for
Kubo na Temo king. Na Temu king. Na Temu king, man.
Let me answer you now. Let me answer you.
Wait, please, though, I have spoken my own. I am not here for question and answer. What I know, the plain fact, the aborigines of that land are the Benis. Is not negotiable. Ijo, everywhere now una get land, where una see small here, na there una get. Una there udo, where una no, una everywhere where river pass now una get. If una want to una say una don spend 7 billion years for the land. No history carried where one place una do one invasion. Or where una get one thing so una owe to una self. Every day una go here, quarry. Una don't destroy data. I was when I brought up in Delta State. I live at GRO in Warri. Bende State Daycare attend and Government College Ugele. So nothing you tell me about. They destroy they drove most of the companies in Delta State based on greed. Anywhere they see something they want to put their head. Go for negotiation. Don't be trying to show rascality. I end my short comments. Thank you. God bless
My
us.
brother, their best occupation is militancy. Militant. They are militant. Those two there, they are militant. That is how very aggressive people, militant.
Hello, can I say something? Good afternoon, everyone. I want to greet the house. You see, I was born in my village in Ovia Northeast. Me growing up, I grew up and I schooled with, I went to my primary school in my village. I only see Urobo people. If Urobo people, for example, I'm just saying, they are saying, oh, they own some part in Edo today. I will say, okay, I will consider it because they have Aguobo. But in my life, I've never seen Agijo. I've never heard of it. The only two places I've seen Ijo, because as big as my village, there is no Ijo. There is no Ijo. The only two places I've seen Ijo is on top of the water. Sometimes when if we are taking our bath, if we dey swim, they will come carry one long boat, get one long boat and one paddle where they use they pass. Let me say twice like that. The other one, I see when they pick some millipedes where they take the worm, where they take the kill fish. That day, I was even frightened. It was like, oh, calm down, my pikin, and I dey find me pit. You understand? So all those places, the gele gele, not be a gele gele, because these people, if they want to pronounce all these Edo words, they will not be using their tune, their language accent to pronounce it. Gele gele is a word from Benin. We use it. It's everyday. It's a daily word. We even use it to sing and everything. Even the Ofunama, Egbema, then they call it Egbema. All these are Benin words. Because of many of our people, they left the village. Like me, my father has so many lands that he was given to Orobo people in Calabar for rubber plantation. You understand? I never see any Ijaw in our mainland. They don't even stay in mainland. They stay riverine. They build all this babo. Anywhere they paddle their boats to, and maybe they dark. They sleep there. Before you knew it, maybe they will clear it, build small huts. They will start having children. They start calling their people in Bayelsa to come and join them. That is what they normally do. As in, that is how they behave. They will start having children, and in time to come, they will not say that place belongs to them. Water is made for to drink. God created every land, and He put water. He put river. That river is for you as a human being, my children. Live in the dry land and drink your. That is the water. He created water for his children. Why is it not that Ijaw, anywhere there is water, and where they live for years, they will not start claiming it that, oh, they have lived there for many years. When the main people,
the only water, even where erosion, they just go say na their place. Erosion, where erosion water gather. Yes. And they claim everywhere.
I never go. Even the camp where I can still name some camp where Urobo people were residing. That they say I get my gemite, I get pede, and other camp. They come from every day. They come to school with us. On market day, they still come. And today, many of them are still in our camp there. The houses, not be Ijaw, I'm talking about Urobo. But why is it not that Ijaws are not claiming that they own Gele and Egbema and other places? Why? You people are in everywhere. Fine, there is Edo people in all part of Nigeria. But we don't drag people's land. We know our boundaries. We respect people. You know, respect is reciprocal. For the fact that many of our people are traveled out of the country, you think you people will just come because you have men, you can carry gun. You want to come and step on our toes. And let me remind you, first of all, you just go and ask your forefather or whoever that is alive in your family, ask them where you guys migrated from. Before you now say you Benin people are from Ile-Ife. We are from Ile-Ife and we dominated the land that you people claim you own. Is that not a pity to you people? Is that not a shame to your ancestors? Your ancestors were so that lazy that they could not fight when we migrated from Ile-Ife. Thank God you people said we are from Ile-Ife, but you Ijaw people, are not aborigine to Nigeria soil. Go and do your DNA. If I lie, you are not aboriginal to Nigeria soil. Men looking at even your appearance alone, test it. You people appear and test it. But we just want to coexist as one Nigeria. You understand? Because you people always put this thing. If Benin people are not from this thing. The other one came just and was saying, the man in Rigro, who be your papa mate and who be una mate? Who be una mate? If anytime Benin people said they want to drive you, you will not say, very soon, we will no longer be hearing that, please, that because all this will not be big men, Tompolo and all that. My own brother, I'm just even hearing the story. My father owns a land. One day my sister was telling me that my elder brother went to one of the land. That when he got there, he saw that they sold the land to Yoruba people. They already plant cocoa on it. Who did that? It was an Ijaw person. Inovia Egbeze. Egbeze, now they talk so. He said the person said it's Tompolo that sold the land for them. You hear me? A Tompolo that never, their papa and mama never stepped their leg into Edo soil. He wasn't born here. He got there from Bayelsa. Because they destroy our land. That man is not innocent as una claim. He's not innocent. He's even that one man. I think he's Shekiri man. Also abused.
Sister, we go use that tear up ground soon.
He's not innocent as una claim. If anytime he come to Edo State and say, oh, allow our people to stay, no. They should go to in China or in some European country. They manage one they build us on top of each other so that it go feel container. And you should leave our land for us. If you want to leave, you assimilate, you integrate with the people of the land. Not come and start telling us una know anything. Una come from where? Really? Una come from where? Where the Benin come from? Where as you people say, you people are not so you are not from Nigeria. You people are not all of you are from Ghana and Guinea and other places put together. You people are not Nigerian. Look at what you people are saying. You people are the oldest. Are you the oldest? Is there any time in life where God came first and created the joy and went back again and come and create other set of people? We were all living. We were all living since God created human being. All of us, our forefathers have been living here on earth. No one is older than anybody. That is fallacy, barbadash. Una hear? That is fallacy and barbadash. I am an Ovia daughter. Women, when I dem a village, they don't even put let me say Urobo people where our elders go sit down. We want to do Ovia festival. I let my job go gun. They're not born any of them. Make them come sit down with us. Now from window now that they look. Now that they look. I don't use this my head carry Ovia. I don't see Ovia the fear. Now then all of una they run it but una be stranger. Una not they participate in all those things. Because we look una so una be stranger. Even when they do a meeting. We not they call una. Call the people will not be a door. As big as my village. Since una forefather dey forest. Now forest now that they not they come up for them. Now go pack all una people from Ondo, from different places. Now what una they do be that? At least by now, if you reclaim, say that place, now olden days and whatever, maybe many ancestral home, ancestral story building, build this for Dofu everywhere. One I go, they show people say, not be baboas, because that's what you people do. You build till today. I went to like this inside March, April. I went to there's some parts for that side. I see some old mud house. And so at the day like that, Urobo people. Let me say, I don't know who they be. My sister was like, give them money. I was even afraid. They look somehow. Una not they stay for, una not they, you that is even talking here now. You may even be that they did not get back to you in Edo. But all of you want just to say, oh, I'm from Ijoso, that I feel use that can't clear people land.
My sister, they be militant.
If development reach there, foul not get job to tell native doctor say I tell the talker whatever me I don't know what me the parent una not get choice.
No, not the tentative doctor say no get job. Yes. Not the tentative doctor say no get job.
Una not get choice. We go follow una dig if you like now. If not that one go divide Nigeria go to because una all trade we say as una be militant everybody for Nigeria they fear una. Nobody live yet for us. Nobody. All the community one they call. Na Edo community.
My sister, they not sabi fight war. Na inside water they fight. Now they be crocodile.
I fit talk.
I don't even know who go they even carry una come because I not the agree me will come una platform. Una not even reach una the trauma who they don't want say ring road. Una the trauma for what? Who be Asari Dokubo? Who is Asari? A man that will be using young people from your community to carry gun. When you go there, Cotonou, the rest. You think you can come? He don't the dance to the dance of it. A surugade.
Enjoy youth are militant. They are militants obese.
Wetin go meet am for
Militants
chest
obese.
soon? Na small na it remain. Because now all don too much. The see finish. One na dey see Benin people finish. E don too much for una. At this time we go rise up against una. If Nigeria go scatter, make it scatter. May everybody fight the fight. May we know who be who. Oyibo come, we fight them. Fine. But you see this Nigeria citizen that we want to rise up against us. Forget people one that they see for here. We get people where you go come out. If Nigeria go spoil, may spoil. This one go lose, this one go lose. Nobody live here for us. Because the threat from you people is too much. Una they do say now get everywhere. Una they do say now get everywhere. Fine, we get
There be pipeline criminals. Yeah, pipeline criminals.
Where this data. I was growing up when I dey hear militancy. Now do one. Now start. All this kidnapping, where it come the fool everywhere. So who started it? Is it not you people? Una come at the mob Benin people. Una come at the mob Benin people. Do you know how many people you have killed? That stay spoiled today now because of because the company, all of them don't run. Una still come here, come they talk to Benin people. Where people say we go sacrifice our life, pass through Mediterranean Sea, enter abroad because leave Nigeria for una. Una come they talk to us. Egbema huwa Egbema huwa. Una stop. Una now we too quiet for una. Now make they say if you should too quiet, grass go grow on top. Now they do so. Why are we saying? Me everybody suffering. Maintain your standard, maintain your lane. Oh, Asari is not an Ijoma. Asari is not an Ijoma. He's from Calabari. Tomorrow he go say Naija. He's using militancy to destroy or to collect money to enrich himself. May it come and do. We not go only enter a life. We go enter a generation. We go enter a generation, pass all the room, all in life. We go pass and come on, including children. What we go do? You not go buy, but make it a look. They say if poor man, if rich man they use money they boast. Poor man go they use debt they boast. Now so this life rich. Oh yeah, me on carry on. Oh yeah, I move.
I fit talk. Now we done.
Now.
Okay. May I use pidgin take talk on now we done. We agree to now. So may I talk about this job people matter. Like me, Nana, I not be person with bias. Understand? Let me just go straight to the point. As for me, I see Ijaw people as settlers, fishermen, immigrants, asylum seeker, and strangers for that gele. Why I talking like that be say when I drive through Ikpoba slope at the government, I see all those Ijaw people. They did that Ikpoba river. They build some more huts. They catch fish. So maybe as they did there, Nana, 50 years coming, 100 years coming now, you can't hear Nana, they'll say that they get Ikpoba slope area. Now they get everywhere. Now this kind of thing now happen for that gele when they talk so. So they talk Nana, they say we they marginalize them. As me be Nana, we get Benin brothers from Ondo State. 50% of Ondo na Benin people na occupy. We never go there one day say Benin people that they marginalize them. Benin person never become governor for Ondo State, not to talk of councillor. We not fight. But no, yours come. Una say na get there. Wetin we give una take the fish on top of river. And the worst part of it, that gele so when they drag, there are Benin people are still living there. Benin person they live for that community with those Ijaw people. So una come no say na get on. And secondly, with Wike even talking for public television. He say any Ijaw in Ondo State, Edo State, Port Harcourt State, and Delta State, they can never be governor in those states. Only states where be say man, they feel get political wings. That be Bayelsa State. I don't know where anywhere we be say erosion just there. River water too much water say erosion. Ijaw people they go say na they get on. I don't understand. So I beg, Mona do Mona your we not talk say Mona come out, but we dey let una know say now we get on. Anything una want do, Mona come do and we dey. Una when the brief fire they come, una not leave una head for us. Understand? So all those church, we not believe on those, we believe in action. Understand? I even they expect say maybe by now, Kala go they cry for help since about 4 days when he say he want make those states a battlefield. But up till now, I never hear say brother Dokon. He just dey where he dey with Buluku when they wear, he dey make months. Not be to make months to come do am. So, like I said before, I see Ijaw people as strangers, fishermen, asylum seeker, land grabbers, and immigrants for that gele. Now, so I talk and reach.
Contribute my own. You know, say this Asari Dokubo na in a Temo King. That one guy say, because when I tell you say this is job people use it na ground. They say they don't live for that place for 5 million years. Salo Buame. Oh yeah, Bugbe, Isa Pologbe, no Orisien. Hey, liars. Say you don't live for there for like 5 million years. You know, lie people. Make I just tell you now. The not need to the talk, the judgment don't they? As Ikwere get their own, and so Edo people get their own. Ijaw, for that judgment, they are called customary tenants. Nothing. They're not the remover, they're not the if you want to go talk, say no, not be tenant for that land. Wanna go challenge the Supreme Court we talk am, we give that judgment. All those are one according to Asawana, blah blah blah. According to Wike, he say if law speaks. Asawana will bow. Yes, now law. Make money if you want carry that gelegele. If you want, for example, that gelegele, I say I want go put big stadium for there. Who be the Joma we go come tell me? Say me cannot put stadium there. Joma cannot be anything. They cannot be political relevant in Edo State. If you want vie for any position, go to your Bayelsa state and look for your and go fight to get political office for there. Not be Edo State. With too many, we not get one way with the share. It never ever reach our hand finish. We not able to fight for president. We not even fight for vice president. The way they reach our hand as a senator, maybe sometimes governor. Now 3 tribes would even this time and not be Benima be governor self. Hey, wait till job you want now one can say because that bush owner dey inside river now one can they rule us. Now that would be that marginalization now they talk. Now governor dey on high for Edo State. Now so we not get person for Edo State. Ijaw will not reach will be 0.0000111% of the population of Edo State. Now one can give governor. They will now still get for bias and one can follow us. Now to say we not use it na grant now. They will not use it na grant because the major occupation for Ijaw youth now militancy. Everybody get their own. The major occupation for Benin man now to travel abroad. Benin youth now abroad with the travel to go now be our occupation. We want go look for better life. But now to go the bus pipeline, now start kidnapping for Nigeria, Asari Dokubo and the Tompolo them. Then Fulani don't now show Fulani way. That can't thing not first day. That's why Gumi the deal now. That's why they not fit they do Fulani anything. If they want do Fulani anything, they go use the Joti reference people. Say what of Niger Delta people, the Jaws. What is good for the Jaws? Why not go good for the bandits? You know, see the two names. Fulanis are called bandits, the Jaws are called militants. Those two ethnic groups now they terrorize everybody. Then Fulani now don't spread our concert from north. They don't spread our concert. You don't know want let any tribe rest for Niger Delta. Those things go over now. Now Benin people now go open that mouth. When Benin people start Ishekiri go wake up against now. Urobo go wake up against now. Even if Egbema for Imo State, they go wake up against now. Cross River, the Bibio, they go wake up against now. The Cross River, the Efik, they go wake up against now. Now alone na dey Niger Delta. Now alone na dey Niger Delta. Una know they use tongue take count on it. Everyone at the shots. Which one I don't fight? Now go bust pipeline, now go run enter inside water. The skill one that they fight, now inside water, we the Benin, we are leopard. You know, say we be leopard. Make I tell you what be leopard for Benin. We be Ekme.
No to be ekme. We are leopard. We are leopard. It a tear. Not be now like crocodile. Now they bite like crocodile. Not see the way crocodile they do. Now they do now ancestors. Now put crocodile for them. I want a leopard. You understand me? Make una come now. Carry asari come now. That drum make it come run for a side bush. Whether I go free run. It's just not to put her for canoe, put her for speed boat. They use that to run carry this. More now carry that in land now. You know. Now they say that to fight for creek. More could give una say okay. There's a big fight for creek. If they eat, they go run enter inside creek. But inside rainforest, una not dare us for land battle. Una not dare us. Never. We go use una rub ground. We not go follow una go inside creek now. If una dey inside creek, they hover around with una yeye boat or speed boat una they do. Una they shake una nyash wana for that side. We not consign, but not come that land. If you call land say you want come fight, we go tell una so go teach una lesson. You know. Everybody get where they get their strength. You just get strength for inside water. They are pirates. I give them that one. But for land, una not get power. You just be like say you want go follow Fulani, go fight for desert. I want to win now. Nothing with Fulani for desert now. Now their strength be that one. Now so it be. You understand me? Crocodile for inside water, I get power. Leopard for land, you get power. We be leopard. Ekpe no one I will be. Now nothing defeat us for land. Make I tell you now. Strategy for war, not be say because of population. Now your terrain, the way it is powerful. Your strength is your terrain. Now it be war. You know, God punish you. Now sorry go build university for Republic of Benin. He knows say job people, they are rent. Go Bayelsa, one of the poorest states in Nigeria. They carry gun for Asawana, sit down like drum for us, like toad. That bloated swine. They talk rubbish. Then they carry boys, poverty. You know, destruction of the mind is poverty. You don't use poverty to weaponize the joy. Use Asawana. They carry gun, they follow on like donkeys. Now be zombies now. They just use zombies to Asari Dokumbo. They're not get sense. They carry gun, they shout Asawana. Make una wake up. Asari Dokupo like una too much. Now I go build university for Benin Republic. Why not build them for one of the communities? Why not even build them for that any of the job whatever. Make it job people they go there. All the money where they get for amnesty, those that they go purchase those bike and this thing till they terrorize everybody. We go ask federal government if the amnesty where they give you job people now make them take go bike. Can't they terrorize all that tribe for southern Nigeria? We go ask, we go write petition. I be that amnesty because the time they never get amnesty, just know they do talk to other tribe like that. See when they get that amnesty, where federal government they give them money, they go pop and to weapon, use and take purchase weapon. One is that they terrorize us. We go ask federal government because no tribe. Because all that tribe will come out. We are more than 250 ethnic group in Nigeria. For that side, then only just they give amnesty. They not give Edo person. They not give San person. They not give Igbo person. They not give Ibibio person. They not give Efik person. They not give anybody. Now only Ijo. After they enjoy them now, the federal government give them during the Yaradua time. They not want keep quiet. Those things will happen that time. We other ethnic group just mellow down. We go raise her up. We go talk say if now only Ijo did that Niger Delta, we they go give that kind of money. I be you not the other person state. Make them keep quiet too. Wait then don't start what you can't finish. I be waiting I want to talk. Why you say?
Power domo. Two are you. Brother, do you know far from where you work here? Kedo ade ni ya ta we yen dey. Agbera 4 days na. Ai he ni toure na. Abiawe boy won ni me ba. Iye we ni ya kan we na ta we dey what ta you done. Oni ahe na. Because egbe mu ya gbe e bi jo me we one day we dagbon me. Me kedo won se we ni ana me ga we aguobo. Agigbo. Ami. Agigbo. Agijo me mami edo. Oviani ehani menme yo kada mehin. Fomi guomo. Ezori ma wa ni e mana mi aga fi okorin agbera bi le stanega taiba. Ivi iwobo o rock mezerani. No na ya agbejo bevere ni. All this see finish na everybody na wa redo ona wa pagbe wa re ba na ko fun na o na do fi rama park ni e ori nya na do fi ogbe ni e ori nya me ma understand the bona makpa ware do wa ni makpa ware ni Nigeria na gbonia wa diva ne no ta unsa ni ayo to digba vodo ni wo se na yo do ni ya fi to vodo abi ni mana sin asike gbe mi egbe na ona rewe ni ana because wa ri ya fefe ni a ọmọ wọn ni we na sisike gbe o ido apopi ma na kina wa ri vi gbo ni yan awo yan fo ni yan ari ewe yan eni gbo wa sin yo to wa mi ani ke yan awo yan fo ni yan ari ewe yan e da do we wo yi beta we na no lega mana yan mari ye we yan ye wi ma yan bi ki o to we wi ma yan be za wi gbina da ma mama ye wo ni be ni ma ya pagbo ya na agbo ya travel but me make ni do na gbina we Gabon yan we yan nya to na we Gabon o eri yan gbina wa America yan we yan nya to pa wa America o ma bun se very ona this country but we ma mi there so that the Nigeria government igun yan gwan me ni ma ko ya worry ma kian we mama ni dey problem ado mi we ma pa ni ma be me e me be do agun ma sin yen wo na ona igbina ru won pa igbini bi edo ya no asare dokubo e ko wa ta mi bi e we then if no water no e ko ya retreat or ya tie with gbe if not yen to bi yen ahe na arun pa wa de very ani awegeri yan we then yen to bi yan dedo yedo mama yogo ma yen abi ma de de Nigeria government o igiyan o ahe bege ni na de e oni elo ero yen ma bege kedo ade no ya tebe na ni ya take action ye na yen ege be ni agi arun pa de very ani de yen do ta we ivi jo pa we de ni ari no kin asunu de zeni aksi o de zeni yen wi an le ze yen ma ka mi o ege ni zeni ala ma le yan la we zeni because emi abugbe eri ma do state we yan no ma say 35 unu yan ki we ni yan cheti ni o state sare dokunbo ni gbe wo ni oni ko wan gbe ran we are yan fefe yan ki big man yan ye militant ya collect go kian yan avio isi ye boys yan bo e government Nigeria ari yan ero ya do na do lo tegbo o ya gbeli vi gbo awere ni na the Kanu suffer bana yon gbeli yan yon cause confusion ni ira ni na the Kanu ya no need o ya bana wi yon gbele military and asari go do combo na or do ekini maybe a militant or a government because them militant government so ni ati ni agbegbon ni awon e ko se gbegbo na ozo when you ga ri ni ami Nigeria ni ai ma ni yen ami Nigeria when you ga ri ni be na mo Nigeria dey squad vero because making a queen we meria even me bo we me even me party me ya making do ta we me bu e we kere yan we job me vo only can sunu understand because everything here wow here kwa play card yan say baba ta any attempt here na anything they say go see say Nigeria government don wa even wa ri yan na or won na gun ayo maybe we say gani e ga tu ni here to be if you ke say there e wi do say edo here no red do ni afone amate ba ni ni di don ni agwa lo itu wa ya o
Hello,
wa itu
Waya Bowa.
gba wa ya domo
Wa okoyo.
domo
Mie na ne ni wa ready 10% idea me by ne no teme na taba city boy tai ni me wa bege bi mata na ya fefe asari ni wa ga won kuto ade italo o wa talo na wa ya won italo o wa talo eni na ya fefe ni wa talo na social media scam social media parade ye waje yen to bi history edo lenoko ma lenoko you know so bi ne do gbe so any ya fefe ni yen tai for my belief social media parade any yahin because yen we I wa agbopia ve na no wa ka ho wa avie wa agbopia ya wa ka wa ke na wa so avie so na one year how you bute my vie maran o amahoy because I never see in any place. Nana miewe, I miewe, awe, averi matare genyowe, usagi, owe, salobwane gi, oriobe mima okegbe, oriobe, odo mima okegbe. Ma bowinya jive wona. Abio the Ira, the family has in Owinya, and I don't mean what where ya ware, ya wado, Hami Vedo, Nivedo, by Giligili, ya do Migiligili. Mama, only watch social media parade the Megan ye. Because everything, egg banner of one, egg banner of son. Because my name will be hoy. So, in your wine, me tell me affair, no, I wadu. Because a man, onu olunu ri won bo we na re we do ya te we no alunu won bo we na won we abi something like that. So onu yin egun we na re oku egun we na obia me ma ko ni obia because it talo. So me be me pa no ewu we otalo otai owe me be ge gbera we ave the pipeline in here bust. Or those are the people on the TV are command. Have you go near ya, you go down here on the pipeline. If I don't have anything, I no money, but I don't do way, I don't move like do where, well, the truth of your matter where you trust a woman. So, only the who I'm not do ye. So, we know how they my hoy. Don't have me move ya with a gbe yen to bi yen ma daji e be ma ni ke ni e fi o le gbere yen ma gba oropo ta wa ni aya gba ji. Understand the where there is between the sea and the river. We are not just the way you look at us. The old ancient of the Edos. Eri obe or you will do it, but market me wa washing but me maybe comment here a comment here message or but ni no kitalo because it beg we a nonsense or talo because you know barewa because our talo no ya get a views
wa power tap wala o.
So only ba me o. So my brother I will tell me ko wa ko dure. Why do your baby? Because the money we to buwe we are ne ekini eriesi keyene iye gwalo wani ala obo awo ma bi na wa bi na no gbe eyin igwalo so egbon aweri oni awon aro ma bi gbe obo o ma bi ya si no bi si ko so those are the things the only time you want water white bell.
Pawadomo wabowa. Even so ni ate we na we go kan because Ogasari noro ni grave or secret because who want die not the get sense again or worry Asari. So, but there's one thing, Anna Gelevejere, during former governor Obaseki, the same Ijo with the same community Gelegeleni, il y avait a problem with that concerning we are installed Oba as in the one get Oba for that same place, that same time. O devil in that time now, because though we Bogafu be in do so, or you enana rieni ya we privilege ni ya meni ya ro hotel dona oyibo ya take over chances in egbin agbe amana ri obo no ton lele yan ave yan na before makin manive dokin federal government yan ri ba ni yan so it's better when yan problem yan la jana the manive do the ma wa lele yan with that iron hand awa be ya face yan o de ni me tawo wa ya wa domo.
Okay.
Abava. Sorry, Igor, you're not Teme. Let me quickly start through what Teme no one for that. Devil the federal government can have body near and my money because here because I win the court. I do have fear in the court, it would be, I do have fear with him that way anything. Okay, if federal government I don't know body near or the year to Mariana on the Birane. So in my whole me add the year is that where I'm happy because Kabogo where I started to Kumbo or Ladia or Guain. And I'm not going any ultimate part about where you carry your my carry Mudawu, where a medan or you be gay. You see, the past governor no got support here, which is Obaseki. What about the weather? We had a Lyoto. I'm having anything like that. Now they came back again and they made Zetiri. I mean, whatever is this where I'm very happy what I saw in the palace where Edo Lenoko Ohumahe Mwedo of way Oruwe Sagin Orime Sagin. Which and when like fair Adaye marking it where oh Eviedo Gelino Oruwe Sagin Orime Sagin Ohumahe Muma of way or Guano Kakabodia or Guano Guane. So my can take care of you. I don't know about me. What you know you may go where all that attack is this where he they bringing an irregular get out you be bringing her down. Because our bone makaya muya sada ya muya vegana. Out there before ya vegana. So I'm very happy where all that Diagua. We didn't know everybody makaya more daya muwe daya. Where Orio Verio Erio Bonya Makegbe Orio Verio Bonya Ma Awano Mudawo Edo where Orio Vegadie or Mugie Gadie or Sada Mugie no Orio Veti Makegbe Hotel. Even everybody is this. Now they have a strategy because where yeah, those sense anywhere. Oh, there's a big reserve coming up from there now. There's a big oil, there's big gas reserve is there now. So they will have to quickly make a move. Near Yahweh dump down near claim where it's their territory. But it's too late. Yeah, really about 1,000 years ago to make this claim. Not now. You understand? So that is one. The second part of it is this. Even Magwakana. They are trying to make themselves relevant in Edo. In the sense where they will then say, oh yes, Edo are weak, Edo are this. But here we are the past thing. In winning our most professional is war. Edo where my hair is sagging. I feel my rock here. No act as a fool and in the Greek area where we were hitting the Ulay. No, hit and stay and face the war and face it and let's see how it goes. Don't pick about where Atalak Mamahi, and that is the anger, that is the war, that is the spirit of war that is in every man, every woman in Edo. That is the spirit of war. When we are fighting, we don't fight as solo. We tear apart. We tear apart. We don't care who you are or what you are carrying in your hand or what you can do. But we first of all give you that revenge and break you down. So that spirit is still there. No where humanity or the where humanity latia or may go back bo. No book humanity no more humanity you all me guy latia all me nyamu latia and work on kwoni. And I see if worse come to worse. So for me, I'm looking at it where I'm happy because this thing happened in my own village before, and I want every Edo we should have this in our mind. As an only woman is Oriomo, which there are Urobo, there are all these Ijo people who have been there for years. We are a camp which We have been coexisting peacefully. In 1990 something, can't really remember the year. In 1990 something, most of all these people, we went to school together in our village. Now, Iragodian don't claim where is the ancestral land, their forefathers. Although they have lived there up to 80 years or maybe 100 years, I can't really remember. But they always bring Dotiako, Hako, Gear, Iduorima, because Iduima Oriomola. Now they try to claim it, where it's not their land, in our own village, in our own Idun. What happened? Without even having mercy, no pity, we dissolve the camp. We dissolve the camp. Other villages have to put this in their heart. That is why I'm happy. The guy that mula I will my yagu jaw, the my yagu bosef. The my yagu this foreigner it was our riverine area. Now we are going to look at they are all suspect. They are all suspect of grabbing our land. Or they have other thought in future. If our father made that mistake or say, oh, you people can stay there, it's not a problem. Now it's a problem to their children. So we will not like to be a problem to our children anymore. So my own take is this. Other villages, that is how what we do in our village. We dissolve that camp. That camp have been there for over 8 years. We dissolve it. Some of them we are born and say, we are not pursuing you out of our village. No. You want to live peacefully, get a house, take in a normal house, no more camp. We deserve it. No more camp in our village. If you want to live with us, the river is still there. Go and do your fishing. Go and lay where. But nobody should be sleeping, taking that place as a home anymore. That is how we dissolve it. All the Urobos, all the Ijos, they came back to the village and started living. Some who could not coexist with us, who could not cooperate, no more men. That is no more comfortable. They all left. That is it. We don't give a damn about all these people. Our villages should put their eye on all these camps and sanitize all those camps. If possible, dissolve it. Enough is enough. Dissolve all those camps. Now, if justice over here we be, we born yet be. I be over here. If justice na coin zaga we no need better. Where be because where we live in here and lake can be. Very soon now they will start dragging it the way is their ancestral land. So all villages in Edo, I'm happy all Kagele, all of them should be watching these people. If possible, they should dissolve all this camp. Ashanti Tokubo have made us to be wise. Ijo have made us to wise up in all this area. So we should focus on them. We are not pursuing these people. No more camp. Live like a human being. This 21st century. Live like a human being. Live in a real house. Go to the main village. No more camp. If you want to go and fish and come home. That's all. We're here, we're
good submission. If the only ties that anywhere with it, Menutana, Yahweh no forma here, Mama there. We no give the unity, me take the unity again. If you do, me I have, and okay. If you see me, every man see me, my wake up. If you do, ya wake up in I go ya wake up in and I can't organize a gbima. When me region and me say village ma. Or you have me heart anything no concerning your yovi. Anati no a street no ya wefwa. Or anybody, everybody should wake up. A street you don't and hala wovi bogi your way. Ovi bokabo why ma change law rima. When ya we delginya wodo ma libra gbe ke omana ovi edo mo sa ovi edu. Ame street ya no ma many edu ima afie ya wo because if no woman here on mama there, imam lives because they don't start in your back. Nigeria, or my Bafonia, my create a state. It's only the only senatorial district in Mame. Yeah, Nick came a fear me, no boom. At my visit, you go my way one day. We are the way a president, Mama, a president, create Nigeria. I'm a marginalizing my Nigeria, when maybe I don't know a Senate president, but my loud there, I'm a vice president. Obi I do my life, Mama so, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, all live, we are not crying. Huh? Yeah, do I tell where yeah marginalize this and this development. Development at high level. And don't say for my love one there for my love or my love therefore the main this thing. I boy ye gele tori mano. My gele mare ya boy. And if your body ya ancestors sorry my yak bini binanani. Or say memo bonyani be your a federal government is setting money a Supreme Court time. A molog bene. A Supreme Court time you know why I more you have been changing be. Or where the judges are customary tenants in that land. The Benin's are the landlords. Manyavo. Which is very bad. I'm not saying in a video because in bust a pipeline, bust a pipeline, on your corner, on your co, okonoko, uwame, carry on in ya, why I been a man, if you have been a woman. But who are Buma do one in Manya and at your land in Watani, our rainforest, a can a timbarima, you can atalakma livy, atalakma mahi, a crocodile yakin wame. That dog making on our strength. I also mean, I'm more. As I did the Kubo, we are made women, I'm a my setting from women, but we are your talk. We are to top land we are to be. Mama let you drag woman, we are woman, or my cousin, but my bell land in it. We are there. We don't allow war.
Hello, my brother. Can I say something? Why will? I want to tell to all my adult people, both home and in diaspora, the ones that lives abroad. This time, we all should come together because with these people, our land is not safe. And the future of our children is not safe with these people. Because person where don't already hate you, if they live among you, believe me, you are not safe. In future, maybe some other group might still come out. These people will gang up against those groups. Fight us with the Benin. You understand? So it's that time, let me say we go come talk now, we go enter us. We asked them, it's after we put a drastic law for as in the government join us with the traditional rulers because now the traditional rulers now they like what make law, but it go make government make them empower the law so that it go fit the work say okay we don't want this camp or government want carry something come here. They not get that method to say they want fight with the government. You understand? So if we just quiet, say, okay, now I see a palace, a government manner implement a own manner because our palace not just come out and say you want to go those places. Now the government now go create the law. Then the palace is okay, CO, they will work together hand in hand. Then and our people, where you see there in diaspora, and people, all those villages, people come from there now. Now, because everybody just come out for us, they just say, nobody, I bet all this one don't come out. Now, I make them come to occupy all those places. Most of them, now even land where we say people think they make farm before. People can go mines those days, go farm. They will go find all those places now. Now, it's just man feel rich there now. He go come do some more hospital, start a family there. They need drastic, how will I say, drastic law where go fit fight all these things. Because as we they talk, if we not do it now, as they don't see a problem, they'll go they pack their people from other places. Make them come they join them for them, which they have been doing before. They'll come use that form a population. Maybe tomorrow now they'll say, oh, they do the true girl, they don't born all this one don't many for year. As in they don't too stay, they don't stay here for a long time. They don't many for year. May we do that thing now to know say this place not be una own. And all those camp where we say if they want the form again now, or they want the form, give government go free announce law say there is no more camp. If they come our city, they see our land If they say they no fit follow us renters, make they stay their place. Una dey hear? Make they stay their make they stay their place. I don't know any man what I wear here I wear up now. This one I'm not go. These people they will never now the future of our children what we want born. Now this one I go go for.
Ateme, iya so ene aya a committee here na bubo. Na ge kere committee here na bubo. Emi opa loro egelegele ni na ya ha ni abe ni anu bia mo development ye ya via what tiare. Ma emukpo yo baba na, ma emukpo ye ba, ma edole ba ya ge wa ohu a.